Hi, I'm Mesa from Spotahome, Rome, and today I'm going to show you a whole apartment in Via Luigi Chiarini. The area is very nice. It's perfect for short stays because it's a bit far away from the city center, and it's also very calming, like a very relaxed area because there's lots of green. This apartment is inside a village, so you have also access to a swimming pool and a garden, a beautiful garden, so it was very nice. And that's it. Let me show you. So here is the entrance. It's a very small apartment. Has a table, 2 chairs. Here's this kitchen area. There is a stove, sink. Sorry. Fridge. There's also a TV. Nice big bed. Nice wardrobe. Here you have a complete bathroom with the shower, sink, toilet, and bidet. So yeah. That's it. That's it. I just showed you a whole apartment in Via Luigi Chiarini. I hope you have enjoyed. This was Melissa for Spotahome Rome. See you soon. Bye bye.